Week 6, Ligwak Ganern. The game will start with two opposing teams on each side of the court. They will play the game simultaneously. Each team will have each of their members have a number that would pertain to the sequence of their turn to serve. This is to ensure that all of the members could serve. The team's player 1 will serve the ball on the other side of the court to hit their opponent. But if they failed, the player 2 will have his or her turn to serve and the team members will rotate their positions. Take note that the team players shall not move if the opposing team's ball is approaching them. If the server was successful in hitting a player on the opposite team, that player will cross the court to the other side. Then, that player will shout Ligwak Ganern and move as to elbow the other player. The rest of the player will proceed to the game and their positions, while the eliminated player will go to the side of the court. The game will continue in the same manner until the time runs out. The winner will be determined by the number of players who were ligwacked during the game. Demonstration.
Wala ka na igo?